Hey, how's it going, Charles? For AllCoastLawncare&Pressure washing. So, customer called us up. They are moving. Actually, they just left right now. They're leaving to their out in town. But they want us to just do the front of the house. Okay, so I always give them a quote for the whole house, but they really just want the front. Everybody's on the budget, so I gave them my flat rate, what I charge. All right, just to come on out, and do a house. So your flat rate could be $100, $200, $300. All right, but I always charge my flat rate, even if they just want the front of the house. That's a flat rate, and it could be the cost of a townhome. All right, or a one-story house. All right. So how much would you do a one-story house? 200, 300. Well, that's your flat rate. Okay. So we're just gonna do the front. She's just worried about all this Crayola right here. So her kids really did a good job with the chalk. But it'll come off easy, y'all. All right. Okay, we're gonna go in on property protection. We're gonna go ahead and wrap that up. We're gonna do her railings. All right. I'm gonna take this off real quick. So, concrete is a separate service, y'all, but you could knock that out, all right? I ain't gonna charge extra. I mean, I'm already charging her the flat rate. Okay, so already on the disclaimer for the confirmation text I sent her, I told her we're not responsible for any discoloration or damages are visible once the organic growth and surface dirt is removed. All right, so make sure you get that, y'all. Okay. See damages. Make sure you're taking a video of everything or pictures. Okay. Even though I'm not gonna do the sides and the back of the house, I'm still gonna take pictures. All right, just to record any damages that are already previously done. Of course, I already got the water hose ran. I'm gonna go ahead and do a pressure washer hose. The water's already filling up in the tank. We're gonna do this. All right, y'all. So here we go. So you hear me say it a lot on a lot of my house washing videos. I like to rinse off the surface dirt first off the house before I apply the sodium hypochlorite, also known as SH, or better known as bleach. All right, that's the main house washing chemical everyone uses. Okay, it kills the organic growth. But I rather take off the surface dirt first and then lay on the SH. I like it to stick to the siding rather than the surface dirt. Okay, I get better results like that I found. Okay, so I just do all the rails, the siding, the underneath the eaves, the fascia, all right, the shutters. Okay, and I'm also wet the windows real good also, y'all. And also I'll always wet the bushes around the house or plants real good, okay? Because SH will stain windows and will kill the bushes or any plants or vegetation. So that's what I do first, okay? As you can see right there, I cover outlets with that little bag. All right, always cover your electrical equipment, outlets, doorbells, Ring doorbell cameras, Ring cameras. All right, on the side of the house, you're gonna find the electrical meters. All right, anything that has electricity or exposing wires, always cover them first, okay? And also wet around them while I'm rinsing off the surface dirt first of the house. I like to wet those areas real good with water, okay? As you can see right here, all that chalk from the concrete came off real easily with the just rinsing it off with the water, okay? I'm getting underneath the fascia, the eaves, the outside of the gutters. I'm rinsing off all that surface dirt first before I start laying down the SH. All right. So these are just the basics, okay, of how I do it. All right, I had to put the gun down so I could concentrate on laying down the SH. So first I rinsed off all the surface dirt and cobwebs, okay? And then what I did was I laid down the SH, all right? I like the SH to fall right on the organic growth and algae, not on the surface dirt or cobwebs. All right, so I feel like I get a better outcome when I do that. First, I rinse off all the surface dirt, and then I lay down the SH, sodium hypochlorite. Okay, I'm using 12.5% from ICE. They're a chemical distributor out in Wilmington. All right, it's 12.5%. And out the gun, it's coming out to between a 1.02 and 1.05%. All right, that's strong enough to kill all that algae and organic growth. All right, I got a new gun. All right, I was getting a big jerk on my other gun. I found out it was rated at well, I learned that because it was putting out like about like a 4,500 PSI, and it was rated for 4,000 PSI. This one's rated for, this is a ST2605, it's rated for 5,000 PSI. Okay, so I went on YouTube and find out, hey, why is my gun giving me a big jerk? Some people were saying to get the the unloader valve and adjust it. I don't want to mess with the unloader valve. I also never mess with the unloader valve. So I just bought me another gun rated at 5,000 PSI. It's not much of a jerk. There is a little jerk though, but it's not like my other gun. Like a little tiny jerk, all right? Other one, well, I could feel it on my shoulder. Anyway, y'all, there goes the pressure washing trailer with the 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, 120 gallon buffer tank. I got a chemical tank in the back. I'm using a 5 gallon tote for the chemical. The red bucket is my 5 gallons of water. I'm about to switch downstream, put in my downstream injector in the 5 gallon bucket of water to rinse out my downstream injector, okay, with 5 gallons of water. Always rinse down your downstream injector with 5 gallons of water because that SH will corrode your downstream injector and it's gonna mess with the little ball and spring on the downstream injector. It's gonna get stuck. I got my 60-inch surface cleaner right there rated for my 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, 5x8 trailer. Hey y'all, I bought everything used but the surface cleaner and the hoses, all right? And the hose reel, okay? So I highly recommend investing in good quality equipment, all right? Because you don't want to use cheap equipment and then your stuff's gonna break on the job. I got my sign over there, all right, from Mike, the Fresh Rinse, okay? It's letting people know that I'm pressure washing. I got my phone number on the board, okay? All right, let me go ahead and rinse off this SH. All right, y'all. I just took down the water hose. I'm about to reel everything up, but we are done. This is just for the front. Let me get sorry, I'm not a good photographer. All right, but anyway, the front house is done. Okay, this is what she paid for. All right, disclaimer: all those suckers right there, those are from Vines. Okay, make sure you let the customer know that's a different service. All right, they either have to replace the vinyl, paint the vinyl, or scrape those little things by their fingernail, okay? Because they take forever to take off. So make sure you let the customer know that that's a different service, okay? That's why you need to come out to assist the yard. I mean, not the yard, to assist the house. Make sure there's any damages. If there's oxidation, tell them that's a different service. If there's vines, tell them that's a different service. If when you remove the vines or suckers that are on there, those little things, those are suckers, all right? That's a different service, okay? I quoted them a house wash, which is removing the organic growth and surface dirt, okay? That's all my confirmation text I sent them. And I told them to respond yes or no. They responded yes. They understand what the service is going to be. All right. Here's the front. All right, all that chalk came off. Taped up the doorbell. Or all the chalk came off. And look at this is part of the disclaimer too, okay? See how it's green? Part of the disclaimer on my confirmation text was AllCoastLawncare and Pressure Washing is not responsible for any discoloration or damages that may become visible after the house wash and the organic growth and surface dirt is removed. So they understand that, okay? This is paint, all right? All right, this is old, okay? So it's probably it's like a green color. It's not algae. It's probably like green paint, okay? And they painted over it. Okay, so make sure you have that on a disclaimer, okay? Hey man, like I ain't lying, dude. This stuff was hard to come off. All right, see this? I'm not pressure washing, I'm doing a house wash, all right? I had to like scrub most of the stuff off. All the chalk came off. Those shutters right there, just broken down paint, okay? You have to put that on their disclaimer, okay, when you send them a confirmation text. They're not responsible for any broken paint or damages when the organic growth and surface dirt is removed after the house wash. Hey, thanks for watching. God bless, and see you on the next video. Bye.